Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll dive into the best Uphold alternatives. So let's quickly dive into it. If you like Uphold but want platforms with lower fee, more coins, or better trading tools, here are the top options to switch to. Kraken is the strongest all-round alternatives. It offers more cryptos, deeper liquidity, strong security, and low trading fee, which make it a major upgrade if you want serious trading power. Coinbase is also one of the best beginner-friendly pick with easy setup, clean chart, and strong United States compliances. If you want simplicity plus reliability, Bitstamp gives you secure trading, solid fiat deposit, and no-nonsense experience. For more flexibility, ChargeNow is great for quick, account-free swap if you prefer non-custodian exchange. Meanwhile, Bitrust gives you broad altcoin access with straightforward trading and fair fee. Overall, for best alternative depends on your style. Kraken for power users, Coinbase for beginner, and Bitstamp for reliability, and ChargeNow if you want fast swap without giving up any control. And that's it. If this helped, hit the like, subscribe for more quick breakdown, and drop a comment on which app you want to compare next. And that's it.